Okay, so here it is. Here's the key of E flat. So right here, it's key of 3 flat right here. There's your D shape. So you play this C minor here. You go to a D shape. You play an A shape there in the key of 7 flat. Where's that? Right here. 4, 7 flat, 2. Okay, it's F, B flat, and D, starting from that C minor. Starting from that C minor shape, C minor. So there's your root note on the A shape for the Dorian. Okay? And then we have the Phrygian, which is 6 flat. It's going to be G flat right here. Here's your G shape. 6 flat, root, 3 flat. Okay? Alright, so if you wanted to play that, let's say we wanted to move up one case and play a C minor shape in an A flat minor, in an A minor shape C minor, not A flat minor, A minor shape C minor. We've got 5 root 3 flat there, and we're going to go to a G shape for its parent key. Okay, so it should be something like this. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So first of all, we get the C minor, A minor shape C minor. Then we go to that G shape. That's on 6 flat. That's the key of A flat right there. Okay. So these are new chord relationships. Whoops, that was wrong. Okay, so really going down, you don't think of doing that normally. So we learned something today. You wouldn't think I didn't hit that chord the last time, but we got it. So there it is. You got the 5 root 3 flat, and then you're going forward this way towards the fret knot, going down to a G shape. That's how that works. And for the Dorian, again, it's C minor to the A minor shape. So it would be 4, 7 flat, 2. That's the explanation for why there's an extra fret here. And it's very interesting. We did learn something there. We learned something today. These ones are just put in there for the fun of it. I'm not sure whether we needed them or not. Sometimes we might have a little difficulty with the G shape. Let's look at the same concept. We have a G minor, root shaped G minor shaped C minor here, root 3 flat, 5 root. Okay, and we want to maybe go to that Aeolian. Remember that the root's going to be 3 flat on A shape, 7 flat, 3 flat, 5. Okay, so in the G box, we're just going to the A shape. It makes it an Aeolian, that C minor, a G minor rather. We're doing G minor now. G minor is G minor shaped C minor is the Aeolian of the A shape. Let's look at that. Okay, so we got the G box here up here. We've got our C minor. I put Mr. Capo on the 6th for the G box of C, and then we're just going to go to C minor from there. G minor though, it's going to be a G minor. My bad there. We're going to be in down here where your capo is in the G minor shape, but it's going to be a G minor shape C minor. So yes, we're going to be up here. Yes, we're going to be on the 6th. G minor shape. I don't know how many times I have to emphasize this. The G minor shape here. okay, not G minor. So we've got the chord shape, G minor shape in the G box. We're on the 6th. A is the 6th of C. G minor shape C. Alright. And then when we want to go to the Aeolian, we're going to be going to an A shape. That's going to have a root note of 3 flats. So it's 7 flat, 3 flat, 5 there. Okay, so what we're doing is the Aeolian there, so we're really going to be doing this, right? Let's see if we can detect that sound. So it's... Hold on. Okay, my bad there. We're not going to be doing this. We're going to be doing this. Because it's root. G is always in root, the bottom 3 string. Okay, we're just a little sharp there with the capo. Like that. Now remember, when you're forging new ground, you can't afford to have your string sharp. And then we're going to... So it's... How do I know it's that octave? Because we're up here on the neck. So that's the Aeolian parent relationship with the G minor shape, C minor. Now, as you know, G minor would go to E minor shape, C minor. Okay, so here's a neat trick. I'm down C tuned here, so I can do that E minor. We're going up to the E minor shape, 5 root 3 flat, and we're going to take that right into 3 to the bar up here, 7, 3, 5, and with roots good, this is good. All we would really have to do is hit maybe the 5th there. So we're just going to lift our finger off. Watch this. We got the C minor shape. So one more time. And then to the A shape. Alright, here we go one more time, because I'm not awake yet today. Right there.